In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on Shopify. Let's dive in. First, navigate to your Shopify account and head over to your store's admin page. Once you're on the admin dashboard, look for the Settings option, usually found on the lower left side of your screen, and click on it. In the Settings menu, select Apps and Sales Channels to continue. Next, you'll see an option to visit the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the App Store, there's a search bar at the top. Type in the keywords Popup. This will bring up options related to pop-up functionalities. From the search results, locate and select Popup Sales Pop-up Maker. On the app page, you should see an Install button. Click on it to start the installation process. You'll be asked to confirm. Click Install one more time to proceed. Now that the app is installed, you'll need to select a template. Pour offers a variety of pre-made templates, so pick one that aligns well with your brand style or the purpose of your message. Click on the Select Template button to get started. Once you've selected your template, click on Start with the Content tab, where you can change the text and images that will appear. Once you're satisfied, move to the Success tab to decide what users will see after they interact with your pop-up. Next, go to the Design tab to adjust the look and feel, colors, fonts, and overall style. Don't skip the Controls tab. This is where you configure how and when the pop-up appears, such as setting triggers like time spent on a page or exit intent. After making all these adjustments, it's time to make your pop-up live by clicking on Publish. To decide where your pop-up will be displayed, choose from the available installation options. For a seamless experience across your website, you can select the Everywhere setting to ensure your pop-up appears throughout your store. Now, head over to the Shopify Theme Editor and look for the option to install in Shopify Theme Editor. Once that's done, don't forget to click the Save button. You're almost there. From the top right corner, click on the three dots to open additional options, then select View to preview your store. And there you have it. You should now see your beautifully designed pop-up live on your Shopify store, ready to engage your visitors.